Welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about exploring the dark web. What you think you might find if you explore the dark web. Let's get right into it. We're going dark. There is a lot for sale on the dark web. Maybe not everything, but just about everything is available in the way of illicit and illegal goods, including drugs, firearms, and poisons, as well as exploits, vulnerabilities, access, tools, techniques, and stolen data are commodities sold on the dark web. Yes, you can buy cyber attacks on the dark web. You can buy virtually anything. Data is the most common commodity sold on the dark web, according to Nermit Biswas, who is a senior research analyst at Market Research Future. We have a statement. Account credentials, credit card informations, addresses, and social security numbers have all been hacked. Someone might not even realize they have been hacked, yet their company and employee information could be sold, Biswas said. Of that information, what do you think is the most crucial for a hacker? According to the Privacy Affairs Dark Web Price Index, attackers can make a lot of money from stolen personal information on anything from credit cards on Netflix accounts. Currently, the going rate for stolen credit card information with a balance of up to $1,000 is only $70, while cards with a balance of up to $5,000 cost $110. The index shows how cheap it is to get data on the dark web, says Biswas. Do you think it's trustworthy to buy those cards from that person? I mean, at the end of the day, it's the dark web, right? So specific niches are: what was once a small unknown area of the internet has grown into a formidable power, according to Biswas, and attackers are innovating to stay ahead of defenders in the cat and mouse game. Some people, a lot of people, it is well understood that the dark web was started by who? Let me know in the comment section below. It's become more diversified and more comprehensive, and one area that is seeing growing interest is ransomware attacks that are spurring criminal activity on the dark web. Cybercriminal syndicates will publish the stolen data if a ransom isn't paid, hence the name ransomware. They will also make it easier for other criminals to search that data for staff and customer emails. This is intended to increase the reputational harm to an organization, thereby increasing the possibility they will pay the ransom. And we have a statement, and that says, and because ransomware material is so popular, hackers are taking photographs of ransomware collections and botnet log files and publishing them in the hopes of increasing their reputation and renowned, Biswas says. Many marketplace sellers also provide zero-day exploits that, have yet to be found or publicized. Another statement. In other cases, when companies reveal software vulnerabilities, the operational exploits become accessible on darknet forums and markets, he says. Another area on the up is marketing lead databases, which have been available on the dark web for some time, but the aggregate amount has increased dramatically in recent years. According to Biswas, although the data may be publicly available on social media or in business directories, it's scraped and reposted, and it may not be 100% accurate, but it still exposes a vast number of individuals to phishing scams, corporate fraud, and social engineering, he says. Data breach standardization. Data breach standardization is becoming the norm, explains Sarah Botbol, sorry if I botched your name, intelligence analyst at Blackbird AI, helping bad actors engage in more targeted searches for the particular information they're seeking on the dark web. It means that data breach activity has become more organized in hacking forums, chat apps, and paste sites. Here's a statement. Threat actors increasingly request and share data that fit specific categories, leading to a more structured landscape for illicit data trading, Bootball says. And you can use the dark web to buy even more of the dark web. Not surprisingly, the dark web also sells the technical tools and information to set up another dark web. Could you imagine that? There are many dark webs already, says Douglas Lubman, who's the VP of Threat Intelligence at Black Fog. So that is some of the things that you can expect when exploring the dark web. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. Please share the content. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.